In this video, we are going to talk about Lovable AI. Lovable AI is an AI tool that helps you create websites, create front end in a simpler way using AI. We know that AI can do multiple tasks, can generate prompts, can do anything. But in this Lovable AI, you can just create your prompt, then it creates a website for you, the front end part of the website for you. For example, I want us to create a portfolio website with any technology of our choice. Then we are going to export that to GitHub. So in this Lovable AI, just go to lovableai.dev, then get this link. So let's create our first portfolio website. So we are going to write a prompt, create a simple software developer portfolio website and add skills. Create the website with HTML, Tailwind, CSS, and JavaScript. Also include dark mode for the website. So we are going to send this prompt and we are going to see how this AI does. So let's just submit that response. As you can see here, it's generating all the prompts as needed, setting up all the files, guiding you how many files we need over here, then setting up our CSS right here, setting up all the necessary files in this Lovable AI. Then you can give it a minute also to wait and see how it designs the website. As you can see here, it's spinning, it's creating the index.css file. Now it's going to the theme provider.tsx. It's creating the header.tsx file. Then it's creating the hero section.csx file, generating all the code necessary. Now what you can do just here is just come here and edit all your text as you need it. It's generating the about section, generating the skills.tsx file. There we go, it's done. Wait and see for the preview. There we go, it has created this beautiful website for us. You can copy this link, you can just share this link to anyone. As you can see, no deployment yet. You can see we have this preview text right here, and there you go, you have your website right here. So what we can do, we can publish this website. Publishing, you can also connect to your custom domain over here. It's publishing. Give it a minute to publish the website. In the meantime, you can edit all the necessary files that you want right here. You can see you can just edit your name. You have the light mode and dark mode toggled there. You can toggle between light mode and dark mode. You have all your necessary skills. What you can do is just edit the little things over here. Then it's still publishing our website, as you can see. You can connect this to GitHub. You can transfer your project to GitHub. You can just transfer to any account that you have. You just connect to your GitHub, then you transfer your website to GitHub. Then you can also view on GitHub once your website is ready. right here, and it has gone to my GitHub, created a project for me. Then we have our repository right here. So that's how this Lovable AI works. So you can create your own website using Lovable AI, as simple as that. Now you can go ahead and modify the backend, edit the code as much as you want, edit the text, whatever you want, add your names, add your actual project and actual links right here. To get more courses like this, go to progskill.com. Then you are going to see all these kind of courses right here. You can learn through AI, through machine learning and other design courses. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.